Hello and welcome back everyone, Joe Malden here with another doll sewing tutorial. Today we'll be making a super simplified Brenton shirt on the fold along the arms. I do have a looser pattern and a more fitted pattern. Both will be provided for you guys. So let's jump in and get started. The sewing process will be the same for both shirts, but since I already sewed the looser one, I will be sewing the more tighter fitting one for this video. So for this pattern, you will need to trace and cut on fold, like double. One fold is along the top side of the sleeve, while the other fold is down the center front. As you can see, I did flip it over, but if you print two of these and tape them together, that's like basically the one whole pattern, and that makes it a lot easier. That way you guys don't have to struggle like I did. Alright, so all of my sergers, take this moment to serge the hem of the shirt, the sleeves, and the neckline. Always start with hemming the sleeves. We're going to go ahead and hem them. If you have a zigzag stitch or anything like that, that totally helps and will also work. So before closing the top, I also jump into the neckline right away. Since it's a cotton knit, it's very easy to work with. So I just folded it over this exact amount of the serger, which is about 1/4 of an inch, then stitched it as close as I can, and bam, it stays. It looks wonderful. So at this point you may think that it's better to just hem the shirt before we close it, but I personally think it looks way better if we just hem it once it's all sewn together. And another quick tip here is to make sure you're matching up those stripes so everything is perfectly matched up and all the stripes meet together at the seam, and it'll look spectacular. So I believe I didn't really keep track of my stripes. I was kind of rushing here, to be honest, so the stripes may not be super aligned, but they're generally super close. It's about like a hair away. And this is why I like to hem once I'm done sewing the whole top, because it just unifies everything. If you were to hem it before you sewed it shut, just like the sleeves, you could tell the difference in where the hemming was. You could tell when you hem before you close it. So in my opinion, if you close it once it's already together as like one complete hem, it really unifies the shirt and it makes it look a lot more cohesive. And here it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Leave a little comment, what you liked, what you didn't. Alright, so it will take you a minute, flip it right sides out, but once you get that done, you're basically all set. How it looks. As you can see, my lines aren't super lined up, but they're not like totally mismatched. So as long as you teeter along the line of them being generally aligned, it'll look fabulous. So this is another one of those where you do have to remove the head to try it on, but honestly I think it's worth it. It's not too much hassle for the look. That's the more loosely fitted one on the right, and on the left we have the more fitted one. Both patterns will be provided for you guys to try at home. I do recommend that for the looser fitted one you use softer knit than the other one. That way it has a nicer drape. So thank you guys for watching. Please take care. Show the video some love. See you guys next time.